Good morning, Andrew, and welcome to Hometown Living.
Good morning, Kim. Thank you for having me.
I'm intrigued. Won't my candy get wet?
Oh, no. So this is the fun part about this Easter egg hunt.
Okay.
It's a little bit different than your typical one. We hold it in our aquatic center at the Kroc Center.
Okay.
So we dump a ton of eggs into our pool area, plastic eggs, nothing in them, but you're able to collect those and exchange them for a goodie bag later on. So that way people are able to kind of collect eggs at their own pace. You're not having the big kids steamrolling the smaller kids, things like that. And everybody's kind of able to enjoy some swim time before they also all get, the same sort of prize at the end.
So are there the eggs, do they float on top of the water, or do you put some weights in them where they go down to the bottom of the pool?
No, so they all float up top, and that kind of makes it, and you can see here on the screen actually, this is from our event last year. They all kind of float around. We've got a lazy river area in the pool as well, and so everybody just kind of walks around, swims around, does things at their own pace, and collects the eggs for about 10 to 15 minutes. But the sessions for this hunt are 2 hours, so you're able to do that, get your goodies, and then come back and have open swim time with a bunch of other kids and really kind of form some meaningful bonds and have some fun with it.
And you've done this before?
Yes. So
How has your attendance been in the past?
Last year was great, and so this year we opened it up for a couple of more sessions. We've got one at 10 a.m. if you want to start the day off with it. We've got one at 1 p.m. if you want to have it in the middle of your day, and we think that one will be the most packed. So if you're ready to deal with the crowd, come out for our 1 p.m. session, and then we'll have one at 4 p.m. as well if you kind of want to tie it all together at the end of the day.
So is there a cost for this event?
Yes, our cost for this event will be $5 per person, and that includes accompanying parents or guardians as well. But with that, you're not only getting access to the pool for that couple of hours and the goodie bags at the end, we're also going to have the Easter Bunny on site. We were able to get him to fit us into his busy schedule at this time of year. And so we'll have pictures with him. We've got coloring pages for some of the younger kids that'll be kind of Easter themed and very festive. And we're really looking forward to just kind of putting on a fun event for the kids and also something that the parents can enjoy as well.
I love that. Yeah. What kind of other fun events does the Kroc have?
Oh, man. I could be here all day. I don't know how much time you have on the rest of the show. As far as just our pool, next month is Water Safety Month, and so we'll have our monthly swim lessons coming around for the start of that. We have a lot of ton recreational programs as far as basketball and other youth sports. And then with the Kroc Center being in partnership with the Salvation Army, we also have our church side of things as well. So the very next thing that would be coming after that Saturday event would be church on Sunday. But the following weekend, we're looking to host a 3v3 basketball tournament for men, and then the following weekend after that, a 3v3 basketball tournament for women as well. And then the fun just keeps coming. A lot of it can be found by going to our website or our Facebook page and just kind of staying abreast that way.
So if I'm not a member, can I participate in the Easter Egg Splash event?
Yes, absolutely. So we are doing a lot of our pre-registration online. But if you come into the Kroc Center as well, even if you're not a member, you can talk to our front desk staff. They're wonderful, and they'll get you all squared away.
So if I was considering a membership at the Kroc, tell me a little bit about that.
So that would probably be best done by coming in and talking to our front desk staff as well. We also have online options to you. If you just go to mykroc.org, our website, breaks down the different plans. We've got memberships for teenagers, we've got memberships for families, and then also if you're just looking to do it solo, we've got that as well. But I really recommend coming into the facility, talking to some of the people that we've got, and having them kind of walk you through the entire building because there's a lot that we offer.
There is a lot. Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part of your job?
My favorite part is probably the variety, honestly. The fact that I think a lot of people view us as either the Salvation Army or the Kroc Center, and getting to kind of marry those ideas in people's heads to where, yes, we do things on the Salvation Army side like church and utility assistance and kind of helping the community. We are also a very vibrant and fun community center where people can come out for things like an aquatic Easter egg hunt, or they can come out and just kind of shoot hoops for a little bit or drop off their kids while they work out for a little bit. We've got a kids watch area so that parents are a little more comfortable coming out and fitting their workout in, knowing their kids will be all right. So my favorite part of that is just every day there's something different going on over there.
I love that. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for all that you do for our community.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
For more information on the Kroc Center, you can go to mykroc.org. And if you want to sign up for the Easter Egg Splash, just head over to their Facebook page, Kroc Center of South Bend.